Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Coinbase Commerce for mobile checkout, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Coinbase Commerce for mobile checkout, first, navigate to the Coinbase Commerce website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the requested information, including your email address and a secure password. Once you have created your account, verify your email address through the confirmation link sent by Coinbase. Log in to your Coinbase Commerce account. In the dashboard, find and click on Settings. Scroll down to the API Keys section. Click on the Generate API Key button to create a new key. This key will be essential for integrating Coinbase Commerce with your mobile app. Make sure to copy and store the generated API key securely. Next, integrate the API key into your mobile application code. Ensure your app is set to collect necessary information, like product details and transaction amounts. For the checkout process, create a payment request using the API. This typically involves making a POST request to the Coinbase Commerce API endpoint. Include your API key in the request header to authenticate it. Make sure to format your payment request to include all required parameters. Once the payment request is sent, handle the response from Coinbase Commerce. If the transaction is successful, provide the user with a confirmation message. If there's an error, ensure you display an appropriate message to the user. Test the entire checkout process to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Make adjustments as needed based on the feedback you receive from testing. Once satisfied, you can launch your mobile checkout with Coinbase Commerce Live. Regularly monitor transactions and address any issues that may arise post-launch. This clear setup process will help enable seamless mobile checkouts using Coinbase Commerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.